You say truckin', we say crown. Truckin', crown, truckin', crown. You say tribe, we say proud. Tribe, proud, tribe, crown. Dip, shift, glow and ride. We the baddest, honey tribe.
Hey, what's up, gang? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is that you are in the world. Today is Monday, May 12th, 2025, and I am currently over here at the terminal over yonder. I ain't gonna give all the information and stuff, but I just had to put my tractor in the shop. Now, what is going on is they supposedly had fixed it. Now, I was having issues with my ABS. All the lights was on, like the Christmas tree was just lit up on the dash. But the check engine light and stuff wasn't on, but all the ABS lights was on. Now, I don't know if you know about trucks, but it's just like a vehicle. You won't see no lights come on till you actually start driving the thing. So, I won't know if it's really fixed until I get down the road a little something. So, we also have fuel here, which is really, really cheap, which is $2 and some change a gallon, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the fill up. Okay, now I had also been having issues with my fuel. I know a lot of y'all been dropping comments in the comment section below, giving me suggestions and advice on what to do. I was not at the time filling up both of my tanks. Both tanks, I have two tanks on this truck. Both of them are worth 50 gallons a piece. I'm used to just filling up my primary tank, but I am going to start filling up both tanks. Not filling up, but putting fuel in both tanks, okay? I also gonna start a treatment. I got that 911. Got the 911, the smaller bottle. This one here. Stuff, and then Lucas treatment stuff. And then the Lucas fuel conditioner. This is the one that I'm gonna use next, but for now I'm just gonna do half of this. I'm gonna use the whole bottle, but I'm gonna put half on one side of the tank and half on the other side of the tank. I'm gonna start using those and see if that helps with my miles per gallon. Now, for now, I'm gonna fill up the tank. Now, I wasn't gonna fill up today because our next pay period, the pay period ends tomorrow at midnight. That's when I was gonna get more fuel. And right now, I only have one load on me that's going to Gainesville, Georgia from Alabama, 200 and something miles, not far at all. I normally fuel up by the load. But this go around, we're gonna make a special exception because we are here with a cheap ass fuel and we need to go on and get that. So I'm gonna fill up both tanks. So I'm not sure how to use it. I was instructed on how to use it. From what I'm told, I'm supposed to put the 911 in at the bottom, fill up the tank with the fuel, and then put the Lucas at the top. So what I was gonna do, because I got the bigger gallon, I was gonna put half of the Lucas in one tank and half the Lucas in the other tank. But I do have an assistant and mentors that's been helping me along the way, and they said just start with the 911 treatment. Just put that in there first, and then we'll see how it flows. And then the next fill up, I'll do the 911 and the Lucas. So right now we're just gonna do 911 and a fill up. But first, before I do that, my tablet has been acting up again. So they swapped my tablets out. I got some extra keys, so now I can keep these around my neck. I have 3 keys now, so I'm not gonna tell y'all where I keep my keys, but this one stays around my neck, okay? I was having an issue with that before. I locked myself out before in my last company at a rest area in Macon on Highway 75, and baby, it was a mess. So yeah, the tablet, they swapped the tablet out and gave me one that actually fits. Now this tablet they gave me, it's supposed to fit in the brackets right here. This is the one that actually goes, but the one that I had didn't fit. Now, the issue with this one is it's not charging. So I gotta plug it up to a charger, which that's not supposed to be like that. This is supposed to snap in here, and it's not snapping because of this charger. So I'm gonna go around here to this shop and tell them about this real quick to see if they can fix it, and then I'm gonna make my way to the fuel. Again, I don't know why I gotta keep making this known. I do not need you bozos, niggas, you dudes, because it ain't nobody but y'all in my comment section dropping gems on the name of the company that I work for. I'm not making it a public service announcement for a reason, and I like to keep it that way. Please respect my privacy, okay? I do not want it. So I guess this shit is aggravating now. I guess I can't fill up both tanks because it's only one damn. This is countrified. It's only one hose on this side. It's nothing on that side. So I guess I can't fill up. I'm gonna just fill one tank up. This is gonna throw me my whole little setup off, but I'm just gonna put fuel in one tank for now because that's all I can do. I was told that I need my company card, so I don't see how I put that in, but I'm about to figure this shit out. Well, actually, let me move up. I'm about to get fuel. How do I? This not fuel over here? Where's the fuel? On the other side.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm on.
This is fuel for the reefers that we put in when he come through with the trailer.
It makes sense. I'm like, where is the? Okay, let me go out. I'm an idiot.
This is very end here.
Okay.
Know. You may want to just drive all the way back around.
Okay.
Pull in there.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're good, dude. You're welcome.
I'm an idiot. That's why. That's why it looked like that. This is for the reefers. I'm learning. I'm an idiot. I know. I'm gonna whip around and then pull in the right. I didn't see nothing back there, but whatever. I guess I missed it. Let me whip around. Right. By golly, I think she's got it. So I do have a little notebook that I write my records, my fuel records in. As y'all can see, the fuel here is $2.82. We love a good $2 fuel up. Now we do. So that's fucking awesome. Now, once I get my gallons, how many gallons in the price, I'm going to write it down. I like to write my everything down for the most part. So, let's try this again the right way. All right. I'm not sure how this works. Where do you punch? This, I feel slow as hell right now. And it started raining. Thanks. I don't see anything to punch anything in. Where is on this side? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so they say we gotta use our card. I'm not touching any of this stuff. Let's insert card. Cool. All right, remember y'all, I said I'm gonna put the 911 in. They say put the 911 in first. It smells like paint. I'm gonna put half a bottle in here. And I'm gonna put the other half on the other side. On the other side. I need to make sure this can fit. These holes can come all the way over here first. Okay, we can make it. I don't see any garbage cans. $153. This is a fill up on both tanks now, mind you. I would spend a good over $200 filling up my tank. Easy at the pilot. So that is fucking awesome. I love that. So let's see if we get better mileage on the fuel with the little 911 that I put in there. I'm not sure if that's enough. Again, I'm not sure exactly how the treatment works. I was just instructed on how to put it in there. So fellas, I know y'all with y'all big old egos and y'all like to beat on your big old monkey chest and always have some slick shit to say about what I do. Go easy on me. It's 11:11 on this clock. It's not 11:11. I'm on Central Time right now, but that's crazy. No, it's 1:11. I'm sorry. And boy, it's hot. So we spent $153 on a fill up, hunty. I love that so badly. $150 on a fill up? That just made me horny. I ain't gonna hold you. That's fucking great, bro. I would spend. I gotta call my assistant and tell him about this shit. Yeah. Shouts out to the people over here, the good folks in Alabama. So I have a box that's picking up. Well, actually, I gotta go back to where I dropped off at the other day and do my pick up an empty, because that was supposed to be a live unload yesterday at 10 p.m. because they don't have empties. So I'm gonna get over yonder to Russellville, grab my empty and head to Decatur to pick up my load, which is a drop and hook. And I'm taking that to Gainesville, Georgia, which I have a 9 o'clock appointment in the morning. We got plenty of times, 200 and something miles. So yeah, gang, thanks for watching me struggle yet again. Y'all learning with me. I really felt like a complete idiot just now, but it's cool. The next time I come up through here, I'm gonna be easy breezy cover girl. You feel me? And yeah, make sure y'all go check out that last video I just put out. It's like 5 minutes long, asking why y'all niggas is so salty out here in the game about females doing their ones and twos. Y'all be big salty. And I knew that video was gonna ruffle some feathers. Good content. Ain't no such thing as bad publicity. Okay, so if we can get y'all talking, get y'all running y'all, I was gonna say something. Get y'all to yapping how y'all do, cause y'all be real sassy in these comments. But yeah, get y'all to running your mouth how y'all do. Good. We love a good comments. We love views going up. We love clicks. We love all that. So keep running your dick suckers. Okay. Anywho, thanks for coming with me while I get this few and figure life out. Until next time, y'all already know my spiel. Make sure if you out there getting that shebang, baby, make sure you don't let a motherfucker take you out of your square. Don't let a motherfucker piss you off. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all make sure y'all drink some water and out. Make sure you mind the business that pays you. In the meantime, between time, it's your baby cousin Lady Luck, aka the Street Brother, aka the Highway Honey. Namaste.